Hello and welcome. I'm Kathy Lee from Kathy's Creative Place, and I have a new project to share with you. I created this cute 6x6 folio from the last Craftology box. I believe it was January's. Tammy did one of these for our house, featuring our house from Echo Park. It might have been Cartabella. Don't quote me on that, so I can't remember. I think it might have been Echo Park. But anyway, so I received some papers and a collection from Authentique from Country Craft Creations, and this is the adorable collection for St. Patrick's Day. It's called Clover, and as you can see, I still have a lot of different elements left, but I created this cute little 6x6. I saw the Craftology box project, the 6x6 version, and I thought I have to create this. So I did the small one. The front is a cut apart from the 12 by 12 page, and I mounted this on chipboard, and then this is also mounted on chipboard. It's one of the cut aparts from the page, and I used some bling from my stash and just did kind of a cornered effect, and then this beautiful polka dot ribbon came with collection, so I used that for my front, and then I cut this little cut apart from the 12 by 12 page, and I added some glossy accents on this to make it a little bit more dimensional. And then here's the side, this is the back, and then this is the other side, and it's a tri-fold, or not really a tri-fold, but it's gatefold, sort of. So you have this side, and then you open it up to the inside, and then on this side I used this is the pocket that Tammy had, and I added a couple cut aparts, some more of the cute little ribbon with a little bling piece, and then this opens like this, and then this is just paper pieced, so you can put your photo here and it'll slip right under that little banner tab. And then this opens here, and I have another cut apart, and I lifted that so that you could it could be used as a tuck spot, or a place to add your photo underneath. So kind of something like this. There we go. And then this I made as a pocket. So I have just a 12 by 12, or excuse me, a 3 by 4 cut apart there, and then this opens this way, and then this is the cut slit pocket. So it's one piece of cardstock, and then she shows you how to make a cut with your craft knife in a couple of places, and it just creates a nice little tuck spot for your cut aparts and your or your photos. And then this is simply decorative paper, and then this closes up like this, and then this actually opens to this. You can put another photo here, and then that closes this way. And then for this, I did a little bit of modification on mine. So I made a little bit more dimension here so it'd sit a little bit flatter. But this is really adorable. These little, I call them like little belts, pull out. And then this opens like this to reveal places where you can put photos and other journaling spots. and then you just slip it into here like a belt buckle, and this does the same thing, and I use basically the same features, just using a little bit different color cardstock. Most of this is from the collection, and then of course these are the spectrum papers that Authentique makes, and I love this collection, and I'm 34% Irish, so this is like perfect for me. And I created a couple elements here. You can put some journaling or even some photos here, and then this side has this cute little banner with the little girl, and then these close up like that, and then this opens like so. And I basically did it a little bit different for the 6x6, or rather I followed the 12x12 rather than the 6x6, and I still added a couple pockets here. This is a top loading pocket, and I added a couple of tags here as well. Basically the same concept as the 12x12. This is just a side loading pocket. And then I have some cut aparts here from the 12x12 page, and those are purely decorative. And then here is the lay flat pocket. So I have 3 layers that I can add cut aparts and photos if you like. And then this opens like this for another pocket. Tammy shows you how to create this little side pocket with your lay flat pocket. It's really cute. So I put a little cut apart from the 12x12 page there, and then this opens here. Oops, excuse me. This actually lifts up here. And in this one I put a little belly band and a 3x4 cut apart, and then this folds out like this, so you can see that. And then that closes up this way, and then this opens up to reveal a full page where you can put a great big photo, and I left these open so you can use them as tuck spots. Same here with some spectrum paper, and then I added another little bow and with a little rhinestone. And then that closes like this, and there are several magnets in this so that it's easy to keep everything closed. And then that just folds this way, and that is my cute little St. Patrick's Day album. And I hope to be sharing this with a family member soon. So thanks for coming by and taking a look, and hope to see you soon.